Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Check this out. This is a Smartele 16-inch battery powered rechargeable fan. How awesome is that? I actually never had seen a rechargeable fan before, but this thing, they wanted to send this to me to review. I got my Gladiator tent from LED Factory Mart set up here, and I thought, well, I'll go ahead and show this fan. This thing is fabulous. It's a floor fan. It's adjustable up and down. It actually has battery pack built into it, so it runs for several hours. I think it's 3 hours on high. It really runs good. It's smooth, quiet, and you know, lasting that much on high. On low in the tent, you could use this for a long time, or out working in the shop. You don't want to run a cord to hook something up. Take this thing and just set it wherever you want, even in the house. You could use it for drying paint on your walls, whatever. I mean, this is a fabulous little thing. It also has a place where you can charge your cell phone on it. So as you can see right here on the back, it has lights, 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%, and 100% telling you how it's charged. All you do is plug in your little charger right here that comes with it and charge it up. All right, here you have a USB port, which is cool because if you're not using a fan, or if you are, you could actually plug in your cell phone and charge your cell phone off the battery pack that's in this. That is very cool. It's got a nice handle here to carry it with. And when we turn this on, all you do is turn it, clicks. It starts coming up. We can turn it down on slow, which is low. My battery is actually 80% right now. It's not fully charged. I've used it quite a bit already, but it's crazy how long this battery lasts. We can turn this thing up, and on high, I'm telling you, you can hear it right there. This thing really puts out some air. Let me turn it over here, blowing on that. You can see it blowing on the tent right there. So, I mean, this thing really puts out some air. It's fabulous power, and it runs for a long time. So there it is, running at full blast, and like I said, I believe it says that it'll last for like 3 hours on high. Okay, so the size of this is actually 535 millimeter by 200 millimeter by 470 millimeter, and the weight is 4.27 kilograms. Now this is actually the 16-inch fan. They do make a 12-inch fan. This is the FF16Y by Smartele. And they do make a 12-inch, which would be a smaller model. So if you're using it in a tent, you may want the smaller model. So this one here, I really like this size fan. This is a super fan so far. That's on low right there. It's actually turning pretty slow, but surprisingly does a pretty good job putting out air. Of course, this is a brushless DC motor. The max wattage is 43 watts. Input power, it takes 120 volts to 240 volt power supply, which is supplied with it. Charge time, it says, is 2.5 hours. Working time is 30 hours at minimum speed and 3 hours at high speed. So is that cool? 30 hours on low. That thing of flat moves some air for a long period of time. Even 3 hours on high. That is really good. Noise level is super quiet. The blade is actually what makes the noise. That motor hardly makes nothing at all. But it's 45 decibels on low, 63 decibels on high, and is IP24 rated for waterproofing. It's not really waterproof, but you know, a splash wouldn't hurt it, but still, you want to keep that thing dry. All right, guys, so there you go. That is a 16-inch floor fan, rechargeable battery power from Smartele. This thing is super. Now, before this video, I went ahead and I've used this thing for a lot. I've used it in the house. I even used it, I'm sitting in my recliner. It's easy just to bring this over and set it to blow on me. I can just set this fan on the floor and it's so quiet it don't even interfere with the TV at all. When I'm working on the bike or something in the shop or the truck, I can set this fan up, don't have to worry about running cords. Or if I'm out somewhere camping, this is the thing to have. I've never heard of a battery powered fan before until now. So I'm really impressed with this thing. I will post a link below where you can check this thing out. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. Right on.